Welcome to the top picks. The best icing sheets is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your cakes and treats. Today, we're diving deep into the world of edible images, exploring what makes these sheets so fantastic. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, you'll discover how easy it is to create stunning, personalized desserts that will impress everyone. Get ready to transform your baking game with these amazing icing sheets. Number 5. RFAQK 74 PC's Cake Decorating Kit. Are you ready to decorate cakes like a pro? This complete baking supplies set includes everything you need. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, offering a wide range of tools to get you started. This set features 48 numbered icing tips made of 304 stainless steel. The tips come in various styles, allowing you to create diverse and beautiful designs. With these, you can elevate your cake decorating skills. If you're new to cake decorating, this is the perfect choice. It includes a pattern chart booklet, so you don't have to worry about which tips produce what kind of decoration. Just look at the chart. This icing bags and tip set is ideal for decorating cakes for birthdays, weddings, and other special events. It's a thoughtful gift that will bring joy to any baker. We are committed to ensuring 100% customer satisfaction. If you have any issues, we'll solve them within 24 hours. We stand by the quality of our products. What we like. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including numbered tips and a helpful booklet. It's perfect for beginners who are just starting out or experts who want to bake a fantastic mouth-watering masterpieces. If you are a beginner, this set will make your cake decorating journey much easier. What people say. One-stop shopping gets you everything you need to get started. Great tips and multiples. Cake or cupcake or cookie decoration. Gingerbread house for the holidays is also a plus. Very functional and basic tools for starting out. Very functional. Excellent product, good variety and quality, good priced. Number 4. Paper 2 Eat Frosting Sheets Premium 8.5 inches by 11 inches. These premium frosting sheets are the top choice for edible toppers. It is perfect for decorating pies, muffins, cookies, and cakes. This icing sheets are gluten, soy, and dairy-free, as well as vegan. It is a great choice for everyone. This letter-sized edible paper is perfect for printing beautiful photos and images. You can use it with all common edible paper printers. Each pack contains 24 sheets, and all sheets come in a resealable bag. It can preserve freshness for a minimum of 18 months. If your order arrives damaged, please contact us for assistance. We will do our best to make things right for you. What we like. These frosting sheets are kosher certified, and perfect for printing beautiful photos and images. The sheets are easy to apply, ensuring your creations look professional. If you are looking for edible toppers for pies, muffins, cookies, and cake decorating, this is the best choice. What people say. The sheets were easy to use and the image quality was great. They were easy to apply and looked amazing on the cake. The colors were vibrant and the image was clear. Number 3. Prestee 12-inch Anti-Burst Piping Bags. These 12-inch pastry bags are crafted from durable, food-grade plastic. They resist bursting, ensuring smooth icing application for pastries, cakes, and cookies. The exterior features a textured surface for a secure grip. This enhances control during decorating tasks. The smooth interior allows icing to flow effortlessly. Designed for use without tips, these tipless piping bags simplify the decorating process. This makes them ideal for intricate designs and easy cleanup. Use these royal icing piping bags for decorating your cakes. It accommodates a variety of frosting types and quantities. It's suitable for both detailed work and covering larger surfaces. This set includes 200 disposable piping bags. It provides an ample supply for baking projects. Perfect for professional bakers or home enthusiasts. What we like. These piping bags are designed with an anti-burst feature and a textured grip for better control. The tipless design simplifies decorating, making it easy to create intricate designs. If you like detailed work and easy cleanup, you should consider this. What people say. The sheets were easy to use. The image quality was great. They were easy to apply to the cake. Number 2. Oasis Supply 8x11 White Edible Wafer Paper. Today, we're taking a look at the Oasis Supply Edible Wafer Paper. This pack includes 100 sheets, perfect for various culinary creations. It's a versatile product for both home bakers and professionals. The wafer paper comes in a convenient rectangle shape, measuring 8 inches by 11 inches. This size is ideal for a wide range of applications. It's easy to cut and shape to fit your needs. This wafer paper is made from potato starch, water, and vegetable oil. These ingredients are safe for consumption. It's a simple and reliable choice for your edible decorations. This product is made in Holland. The manufacturing process ensures a high-quality product. You can trust its origin for consistent results. Each package contains 100 sheets of wafer paper. This provides ample supply for multiple projects. It's a cost-effective option for frequent users. Please note that the wafer paper is somewhat brittle. Small pieces might break off during transit, which is considered normal. Handle it with care to minimize breakage. What we like. This wafer paper is perfect for creating custom printed designs. The paper is made in Holland. If you are looking for a large pack of edible paper, this is a great choice. What people say. This last time I purchased the 100 count since I make a lot of wafer paper flowers. It's also a very nice quality. I like that they offer different amount. Number 1. Oasis Supply 25-piece wafer paper pack. This wafer paper is perfect for creating custom designs on your treats. You can make flowers, cakes, cookies, bows, and more. It's a great way to personalize your food. The pack includes 25 sheets of 8 by 11 inch paper. It's blank white, ready for your designs. You can use food doodler pens or edible ink printers to add your favorite pictures and patterns. This paper is sugar-free and tasteless, so it won't affect your food's flavor. It's made from potato starch and vegetable oil. You can use it on cakes, cookies, pies, frosting, candy, and even jello. This product is made in Holland. It's a high-quality product that you can trust. It is perfect for all your baking needs. This product is kosher certified. It meets all the requirements for kosher products. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This wafer paper is sugar-free and tasteless, so it won't alter the flavor of your food. You can use it to create custom designs with your favorite designs and pictures. If you like creating personalized food, you should consider this. What people say. The sheets are smooth, easy to cut, and print beautifully. Easy to fold and create pretty designs with. Easy to manipulate to create flowers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.